If you notice in your meetings that there are certain people who speak up and certain people who don't, then I think it's your job to change that, because a really, really good rule for meetings is if people are in the room, it's important to hear all voices. If you don't need to hear all voices, then why are the silent ones there? So if it's your meeting, just name the fact that you really want to hear all voices, and then consciously bring in people and ask them if they want to contribute. And if they're shy or introverted, you might ask them if they want to beforehand. And then if it's not your meeting, be the person who supports people. Thank you for that, great point. I wonder if X would like to say something. And you can also draw people in, but I think we've got to be allies and bring all voices in, because a culture where we hear all voices is a good one. If you'd like to see my new course, click on the link below.